I'm happy to catch up with you all after a while. Today I'm going to make my favorite Arabic breakfast, which is called aris. Come, let's see what all do we need. We will need some minced meat, finely chopped onions, garam masala and salt. If you don't have garam masala, you can use all the spices you have in home. Then some sliced cheese and finally kubus. If you are in India, you can try making it with chapati. If you are in the other part of the world, you can even use pita bread and it will be good. Come, let's do it. Now, I'm going to mix the finely chopped onions with the minced meat, then the garam masala and salt. Then now I need to mix it. Now we take the minced meat little bit and we apply it here. I have only added onion to the minced meat. You can also add herbs such as parsley. This is a very healthy food. And the best thing is it does not need a lot of time to make. We have applied the minced meat on the kubus. Now I'm going to take the sliced cheese and just put it on it. Into small pieces. I'm just going to put it. Now I'm going to close it and I'm going to cut it into 4 and keep it on the stove. I've cut it into 4 pieces and I've heated a tawa and applied some oil. Now I take the bread and I just put it on it. This is a bodybuilding food. It has very less calories on the bread and more meat for high protein. After a minute on one side, I'm just turning it. The smell, the melted cheese is showing me that it's ready to take. So we're going to take it out. It's now tasting time. Look at the food, the color, the aroma smells good. We eat it with hummus usually. And if you want, you can also use garlic sauce. It's tasting time. Delicious and yum. Awesome. Try it, like it,